3, go. Right, again, just keep pinning them down, get a guy moving up the side. Shell, you want to push up? Push up, keep down. Right, 1, 2, 3, go. Right. Oh, it's going to be empty in seconds here. I'm trying to fucking LSW job. Right, guys, need to start pushing up. Need to just holding tight. Okay, down to the right. Tree line, down to the right. Give some fire. What did you roll on it?
No, he's out. Right, I'm moving.
Right, I'm gonna go. Don't shoot me in the back for fuck's sake.
Guys to the back and you start pushing up. Guys to the back, start pushing up, we'll give you cover and fire. Push up!
Stand up, means hit.
Guys, you're doing that to me.
Who's that in the trench? Is that what you see him? Any visual, Ian? Watch that right, the round's coming in across to that way. Go, go. You get any fella round? No, I'll do it fella. Dead ahead, dead! Run hit! He's hit, he's down. You down? Aye. Fucking back coming in for the fire trench! Malky, can you get fire under that trench?
Aye, Phil, can you get a body pushing up that side? That's great, well done.
Is that someone in there, Chris?
No, I thought I seen something move, just put a couple down just to keep his down. Go!
In the trench!
I know! I've not got anything!
You want us to put loads of fire on it?
You want fire on it, Ian?
Yeah. You ready?
Fuck it! Bastard! Go, Mark,
don't know where the fire comes from.
Right guys, watch out, I'm going to two over top of you. I'm going to two over top, alright? On the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
There's the two still in that trench.
Most of them are in there.